Namaste students. I, JVWU-consolidation Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, JVWU-consolidation. Today I will discuss about the topic study of consolidation parameters. Study of consolidation parameters is very important topic. So firstly we will discuss about the diffusion parameters. Diffusion parameters, this is given by PVG. Q is equal to K under T. So where Q is the amount of drug released in the time T per unit area, and K is the Hg constant and T is the time in R. So plot the data obtained is to be plotted as cumulative percentage drug release versus square root of time. So the application modified release pharmaceutical dosage forms, transdermal systems, and matrix tablet with water soluble drugs. So the dissolution parameters is the dissolution is a process in which a solid substance and solubilizes in given solvent that is mass transfer from the solid surface to the liquid phase. And dissolution parameters is effect of agitation and effect of dissolution fluid and influence of pH of dissolution fluid and effect of surface tension of the dissolution fluid medium. So the effect of viscosity of the dissolution medium and effect of the presence of unreactive and reactive additives in the dissolution medium and volume of dissolution medium and singh condition. So the diaeration of the dissolution medium and effect of temperature of the dissolution medium. So the effect of agitation, the relationship between the intensity of agitation and the rate of dissolution varies considerable according to the type of agitation used. So the degree of laminar and turbulent flow in the system, the shape and design of the stirrer, and the physicochemical properties of solid, that is called as effect of agitation. So the dissolution test using high-speed agitation may lack discriminative value and can yield misleading results. So according the compendial method in general are conducted under relatively low agitation. And for the basket method, 100 rpm usually is utilized, while for the paddle procedure, 850 minus 75 rpm is recommended. In case of non-official continuous flow and column type method, a flow rate of 100 ml per minute commonly is employed. So the effect of dissolution fluid and selection of proper medium for dissolution testing depends largely on the physicochemical properties of the drug. In the early 1960s, when dissolution was still in its infancy, great effort was spent on emulating the in vivo conditions in the gastrointestinal tract, especially pH and surface tension, viscosity, and singh condition. So the influence of pH of dissolution fluid in 1949, a committee assigned by the American Drug and Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Associations recommended the use of distilled water as the test medium for the disintegration test. It was observed that in many instances, water and diluted acid gave closely comparable results, and USP-XP included stimulated gastric fluid as a test medium for tablets containing ingredients which reacted more readily in acid solution than in water, example calcium carbonate. So the medium again was changed to water in the USP. So the change in pH exerts the greatest effect in terms of drug solubility. So this is the complete session of study of consolidation parameters. This session is powered by the distant version 2.0 JVWU-consolidation. I hope you are satisfied with my distant session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolver. Thank you and thank you for the listening.